All right, it's time for circle. And we're looking at our calendar. Look at that go. The 29th is today. Our last day of March is on Wednesday. And our first day of April is right here on Thursday. And it's also our last day of school. We have no school on Friday. And we have no school on the last day of March. Just realized that. All right, let's figure out what day of the week it is today.
I'm having an Easter party.
Yes. Well, and I was going to say that.
On Wednesday. Thursday.
On Thursday.
Days of the week.
Clap, clap.
Okay.
Days of the week. Clap, clap. Days of the week. Clap, clap.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Clap, clap.
There we go. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week.
Clap, clap. Stop.
Days of the week.
Clap, clap. Stop.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Continue.
Your turn.
Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday.
Can't hear you, friends.
And then there's Saturday.
Days of the week.
Clap, clap.
Days of the week.
Clap, clap.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Clap, clap.
All right, and today is Monday, March 29th, 2021. Take a look at our pattern. Start right here with our clover and say together, clover hat, clover hat, clover hat, clover hat, clover. Clover it is. Okay. What kind of weather do we have outside today? It is windy and it is sunny. All right. A little windy, sunny day. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? Windy and snowy. Ooh. It is kind of chilly out there, though. Let's go ahead and say our alphabet together. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Count to 15. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, counting backwards from 5. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Looking for some colors. What color is the fish? Not yellow. What is it? Orange. What color is disgust? Green. What color is Celia Wheelia? Purple. Can't hear my friend in the back. What color are the elephants? Gray. My friend on the green square. What shape is green?
Circle. Which one is green?
What shape is green? Oval. Good job, my friend on the purple square. What shape is purple? What is that? Square. Mm-hmm. All right, my friend on the yellow square. What shape is yellow? The star, my friend on the orange square. What shape is black? Rectangle. You got that now.
Our nursery rhyme is Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her
Herds and way.
Herds and way. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. All right, we are working on what letter this week? I. What letter is it? I. Like Isa? Is that her name? Isa, the iguana? And who are these people?
I know.
The Incredibles. Their names start with an I also. All right. Go ahead and stand up. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Shake it in the middle. It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach up. Good job. Way up at the top. Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. All the way down. Reach down. All the way down. Way down. Bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Woohoo! Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? Is this the top? Middle. Is this the top? Top. Where do you start your letters at the top?
How's that?
All right, my friends, we are building the letter I. Do we start under Mr. Matt's smiling face, or do we start under the star? Why do we start under the star? Oh, you're so smart! We start under the star because it is a center starter. That's right. And we put our big line down. We take a little line and we put it at the top. What letter did I make? T. Are we making the letter T today? No. So I'm going to take my next little line and I'm going to put it at the bottom. What letter did I make? I. What letter did I make? I. All right. I need to move it down a little bit. There you go. Look at that. It is the letter I. All right. So our fingers are up. And we say together, ready? Big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Little line across the bottom. What letter did we make?
D.
What letter did we make?
I.
I. What letter is it? I. And I says, That itchy nose. One more time, your fingers are up. And we say, big frog, jump, up, little line, bottom. Good job. All right, everyone, thank you for joining us for Circle Time, and we will see you again tomorrow.